In this video, I'm going to show you one of the several drills that are part of sticky hands or Chi Sao training. This one we call rolling arms or poon sao. Simplify this, we're going to call this passing a ball back and forth. That's a very simple way to think about it. I've just passed Bruce the ball. Now we come in between. Why do we do this? Because this is a good transition that keeps us very efficient and precise. As opposed to you see a lot of people doing these, like driving a big, 18-wheeler, well, they're not precise at all. They're going over here, they're going over here, they're going there. They're going all the way over here, they're going all the way over there. Anytime somebody's doing that. So the purpose of Chi Sao is to find the gaps in the other person. So why on earth would we go all the way around and just participate in that roundness? We wouldn't. We would get here. You notice that I'm passing him the ball. He's received the ball. Now, in between that, we are very precise in our transition. Now he goes ahead and passes me the ball. There. Now be careful. Don't do that, right? That's part of that whole thing going around. Pass me the ball direct. Yes. And I'm directly receiving it. My elbow stays in. It doesn't come out. And then we come through the transition, and then I pass the ball. Again. Now, if at any time when we're doing this, he lets me in, I have to let him know, hey, you're not keeping your sphere of influence, and there's a bubble around each of us that we're trying to maintain. That certain contact point, we don't want to let the other person in, mush up. At the same time, we don't want to push too hard either. If he gives me openings, then I'm just going to come in to that with my feet, not push. So I've just passed him the ball. He's going to come here, pass me the ball. Yes, okay? Then here, and then I pass you the ball. He receives. Now, as you received, you came back a little bit, right? Try not to do that. Keep that sphere of influence, whatever position you're in, you're keeping that sphere of influence. In fact, this is still offense. Everything is still offense. Here, going to the necklines, and then you pass me the ball right to my center. Be careful, this is going down, right? So what happens is people get in their hands. People start thinking with their hands in Chi Sao, and that's what makes it go here, across all kinds of different things. You have to stay in your elbows. The energy comes from the elbows. Think of the elbow as like the back of a boat. The engine's in the back of it, right? That's what powers it. The front of the boat doesn't power it, right? So the front of the boat is very light and it's precise, going where it's going. So he's just passing me the ball. I've received it. And then I'm going to come here, and then I go. Now, the person that has the ball is literally in their court. Okay? So you have to wait for them. This is an interactive drill. This is an energy exercise. This is not just a before you spar thing, right? You guys have seen it, right? It's not what you do. This is an energy exchange, and there's specifics to it. He has the ball. Based on this drill, I cannot move until he goes to the transition and then passes me the ball. Just go through the transition and then pass me the ball. There, now I have the ball. Bruce cannot move until I pass him the ball. Boom, boom. Like I said, the number one thing of Chi Sao is feeling for where that openings are. As you do it more and more and more, you feel for it without having to think.
The offense part.
Yes.
Subscribe now so you don't miss out on more of these great Wing Chun lessons.